How to use LinkedIn for lead generation. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video, I will show you how you can easily use LinkedIn for you to find clients or increase your lead generation. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, you need to visit first linkedin.com, and this is the main homepage over here, and you need to make sure that you created your account. So by the way, what is LinkedIn? So LinkedIn is the world's largest professional network on the internet, and you can use this platform LinkedIn to find the right job or internship, connect and strengthen professional relationships, and learn the skills that you need to succeed in your career. Or you can also use this platform for you to be connected with other professional user. So this platform is not the same with other social media platform like Facebook and Instagram that you can share anything over there. But over here, you can share professional content here. It can be about your work, about the services that you're offering, or you can also post any courses over here, things that you learn that can also inspire other professional that do the same thing that you do. So over here, you also have option to add some thing in your profile. Like for example, over here, you can see that the profile have this additional frame like open to work. It means that this person offering his service and he's available to be hired by someone. So this platform can also be used for you to get a job. And as you can see here that we also have our messaging over here, or you can also check your messaging app here if you like to. So for messaging, as you can see here, anyone who's interested on you can send you a message. So over here, as you can see, I already have plenty of messages from different LinkedIn user who's interested with the service that I do, and they are offering me a job over here. And a quick tips, guys, when you try to send a message to someone, like for example, you want to offer a job to someone inside LinkedIn, or you are going to offer your business or your services to someone, make sure when you write a message, make it more personal. Don't make your messages like copy and paste and then send it to every prospect or every lead that you find here inside this platform, because messages that's not look personal, people will not gonna read all the message and they will just ignore your message. That's what I always do. I try to open a message, and if I can see message are just copy and paste and too long, I will just go ahead and close it right away. But if the message is more personal, like someone trying to reach out to me, like wanted to talk, then that's a time that I read all the message. Like for example, this one over here. Hi, I came across your profile and I find it promising. I am a recruiter from WorkPod by Sites at Scale. We're currently looking for a digital social media for a digital media marketing. If you're interested, kindly share your resume here. So this is more personal over here because he mentioned that he came across my profile and he saw my profile and interested to offer a digital social media marketing position because that is the services that I am offering before. So from this message, I know that this person really checked my profile because he knows what I am doing. I am doing digital social media marketing. So that is the kind of personal message that I want you guys to also include. Have time to check the profile and make use of that to write a personal message. So let me just close that one. So before you can use this platform for your lead generation, you need to first fix your profile. Make sure that you have a good cover photo and a professional looking profile over here, and you add your real name here and also a short description about the work, about your services, or about your business. And also, again, it's important to add your hashtags here so that if someone interested to find that kind of services here on LinkedIn, you will be the one who will be on the top that they can easily see and visit your profile. And also, you can share any skills that you have here. And you can also share a little bit about yourself and what you do, and here your job experience. So that's how you can build your profile. Make sure that everything you provide here, it will make your visitor interested on you so that they will go ahead and send you a message. So once you're done building your profile, then I will go ahead and show you how you can easily find your lead generation here. It's just very simple, guys. You just need to search here the keywords of the kind of clients or leads that you like to target. Like for example, let's just say it's going to be a real estate agent, and then you can just go ahead and click enter. But if you like to get a specific result, then over here you have different option to filter your results. So here, let's just go ahead and click all filters. So over here, you have option to filter the connections, the location. So let's just go ahead and add location here. Like for example, it's gonna be New Zealand. All right, so we have the New Zealand over here, and also talks about real estate and real estate agent. And also for the current company, you can select it here if you know some company from that specific location. And also here we have the past company. We also have the school here that you like to also filter. And also the industry, let's just say it's going to be real estate, and also the real estate and equipment rental services. And then for profile language, it's going to be English, and service categories, real estate and real estate marketing. And then once done, just click show results. And over here, as you can see, we have now 14 results here from the filters that we did. So here we have also option to change the results. So if you are not looking for a person or people, then you may go ahead and change the information here to just jobs, post if you're looking for posts related to real estate agent, companies, products, services, or courses if you like to learn new course related to real estate agent to that location, then you can click courses over here. So let's just say we are looking for a person, a client for our lead generation to offer our services or to offer our platform for them to subscribe or to be a member. So for example, this one over here, you can just go ahead and click the name. Once you open their name, you can check their profile over here, and also you can click the contact info if you want to learn more about how you can easily contact them. So here they also have their website that you can click on, and you can visit their website. So over here, you have option to book time to chat, or you can also visit their social media account and you can send them a message through that. And also over here, you have option to message, but here as you can see that the message is locked. It's more private. So you can go ahead and click more. And here you can also send your profile in a message. Click more again, and you can also send a request to connect to this user if you like to connect. So that's how you can easily search for someone here that can be your client or for your lead generation. So I guess that's all for today's video. So if you have any question, just comment down below, and thank you for watching.